Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to accessibility. This is where color controls live. Once there, find color inversion or color filters. Android and iPhone label them slightly differently. Make sure you have your passcode handy. Some devices require confirmation. Tap the option to view choices and toggle the switch to see immediate change. You do this first because flipping a single switch gives instant visual feedback, so you can confirm the effect before adjusting any additional options. Now you refine the change. Select invert colors or pick the specific color filter that matches what you need. You might see modes like Smart Invert, Classic Invert, or presets for grayscale and high contrast. Pick the one that preserves images correctly. Adjust intensity or toggle filter strengths when available, because small tweaks improve readability and reduce artifacts. Once done, test across apps, photos, messaging, web pages to ensure icons and media render acceptably before making it permanent. Finish by adding an accessibility shortcut or control center tile so you can toggle inversion instantly. This saves time. Make sure to close and reopen any apps that looked odd. A restart often clears rendering glitches. If colors still look wrong, revert and try the alternate inversion mode or adjust filter strength. Some apps override system colors. One key troubleshooting tip: if the screen flashes or appears corrupted, disable inversion, restart the phone. Then reapply the chosen mode to reset app rendering.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.